We are live at the house, and look at Ernie. He doesn't know how to install a doorbell, my dad. So Eli had to come over. I haven't seen Eli. I haven't seen Eli since at least 2006 in the summer.
This one.
When Eli came over that time when Valentina was painting the pool deck in summer of 2006.
That's exterior front.
You guys may know Eli from my family movies when I was a kid.
Exterior front.
Eli, my mother got a job. My mother got a
job.
job.
Have any labels? You have any?
He had a mustache years ago in 1989.
Or masking tape?
Let's see.
Yeah, we cleaned a lot of stuff here. We cleaned the tables. Look at this nice dining room table now. I made them clean and I said, man, I'm a mess.
Can you shut up?
Hey, Facebook is leading this.
Exterior.
I got my DVDs over there for the plane. But all that mess, now we can eat on the table now. We couldn't eat before.
Exterior.
Hey, maybe your son can see this. She's on my Facebook.
This one.
No.
Hi, TikTok.
Masking tape, no?
Fuzzy Bear, Ernie,
You know that.
Dr. Bunsen Honeydew, Fred Flintstone, Tweedledee and Tweedledum, Humpty Dumpty,
Masking tape.
Homer Simpson, Dom DeLuise too. Eli's always like, hello Marky, hello Marky.
Hey, Marky.
No.
You know, nothing?
Yeah, see this one.
One.
That's one. Maybe you can do that one. Open it.
I close it. You just say any second, I close it. They're building the church near the house. You see the church they're building up on the hill?
Yeah.
They're gonna make it a park at the bottom. Did you know that? We took all the trees out. They're gonna make a park below.
Where? Yeah.
It's
I
Chernobyl.
don't know.
I saw the sketch online. You should see it. They're
Yeah,
gonna make a
you will.
park when you look out the back of the backyard.
You gotta
Open
make.
it, Eli.
There's gonna be they're gonna make a basketball court near where the rectory is. You know where the father's rectory was on the side, and they're gonna make a park swings close to Durant Street. You know where it's all blocked off.
Oh, yeah?
So they're gonna probably take the fence down over there. They'll be all open to the public. You know.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I'll show you online. It'll be ready next year, they said. You know where they cut all those trees, Eli? That's where they're going to put the park, right there. In the back?
Up in the back.
At the bottom of the hill, yeah.
Yeah.
They haven't started it yet because they're not even... They're doing the top first. They're knocking down that red building, even though the graffiti one, it says demolition. The one on the corner of the Kendrick Street at the top, they're going to knock the whole thing down.
Oh, yeah?
They'll probably extend it, yeah. All right.
Let me see.
Eli is now part of the old Cineground Zero. We moved out of the old Cineground Zero in 2001 and moved to the new Cineground Zero over here.
That's it.
Bye.